Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to CRS year 2018 past question. Question number 15 says, I have done wrong. Return my son David, for I will no more do you harm, because my life was precious in your eyes this day. Who made this statement? A. Samuel. B. Joab. C. Abner. D. Saul. This statement was made by Saul when he was the king of Israel. So that is when Saul made this expression. So thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.